All right, the bell is rung. This is not financial advice. I am not a professional stock trader, nor am I a financial advisor of any kind. I make no guarantees, nor do I offer any promises of any kind with the processes or information shared in this video. All right, with that being said, I am late once again today. Woke up late, man. So, anyway, it is Monday, October the 10th, the beginning of the trading week. And you know what to do. Let's slap this pre-market on here and get going. So we're going to let it come out the gate and see what happens today. Okay, middle of the measured move. Let's get this out the way real quick. Man, didn't have a good night. Literally woke up about 10 minutes ago. That is very late for me. Didn't go to the gym or anything. Okay, well, that's over with now. So, we gotta go to 1 minute. All right. 1 minute, pre-market is up. Let's watch these candles. Let's see what they do. I'm not making any sudden moves yet. I'm barely looking at pre-market, so. All right, let's see. Yeah, this market looks crazy again. Looks like it's going to be another one of those weird days, but I'm watching this drop over here. Let me see. Let me turn on my EMAs. Let's see what we got going there. All right. Fresh out the gate, and we are dropping. Looks like the 50 is trying to cross over the 5, or it looks like it is crossing over. Everything's crossing over, so let's see what's going on here. It's coming out the gate watching, and we're dropping. Taking a look at the options over here, seeing what's happening. October the 10th. All right, I don't want to make any sudden moves. Don't look like a big pre-market, so let's just watch this thing, see what happens. Let's check out our 15-minute. Should be kind of red, but let's see. Yep, got a red candle coming in. All right. If you went through the videos, you should know everything I'm doing right now. You should not be lost. dropping. All right. All right, 50's on top, 5 is in the middle, 20 is on the bottom. Let's see where this thing is going. Got my measured moves out. Looks like this hour line here. Hit that and it came back down. Let's see if it hits this sell pressure zone and bounces back up on the 15 minutes. It's at 362.69. Jeez. And this is what I do. I just watch, especially when I'm not sure. Let's look on the 5 minute and see how this candle's breaking down. All right, we got 2 fat red candles. Okay, we got a little bit of green there on the 1 minute. Hitting that buy pressure zone. Look at that, bouncing right back above of it. I don't know where this thing is going today. I'm just watching. And now I'm probably looking at a 362 strike price right now. Looks like it's 220 on the call. Looks like it's $1.69 on the put. I don't have a clue where it's going. Let me let it consolidate in this buy pressure zone and see if it comes out of there or it works its way through it. Just watching. Okay, so what is this down here? This is, okay, I don't know what that is. That may be a buy pressure zone down there. Let's check it out. Probably on a bigger time frame. I literally have forgot what that is down there. All right, so what should be about here? That's the 4 hour there. All right, so let's go to a higher time frame. Let's see. Let's check out the hour while we're sitting here waiting. Oh, I hate that it kicks back so far sometimes. All right, what do we got? What do we get? Not on the hour. Check 15 minutes. Back. Okay, so I have completely forgot whatever I put that there for, why it's there. Maybe it's a gap of some sort. I don't know. Is that what it is right there? It's at the end of a run for a buy pressure zone, but there's only 2 candles, but this is a big one. This is a small one, so we shall see. Okay, this 4 hour didn't break last time. That's probably a buy pressure zone, but not sure, so I'm just gonna leave it there for now. All right, let's see what we're doing up here in the 5 minutes. Look like we got 2 nice fat red candles forming, hitting that buy pressure zone. Let's see. I definitely think this candle is going to close out red, but it's a waiting game right now. That's what we got on the 1 minute. It's playing along that line. And you got to remember, this is a 15-minute zone. It's black. All right, so let's see if we can get a 5 minute buy pressure zone out of this thing somewhere. All right, 1, 2, 3. So the 5 minute is at the bottom. I don't think there's no point in making that. Yeah, there's probably no point. It's right at the bottom there. So, but it looks like the buy pressure is starting to push this thing up. Let me see. We could use this here for sell pressure because he got two nice fat candles. These are some decent moves here. This is like what, 364 down to 362. Yeah, it's $2 move. We could probably use both of these for buy or sell pressure actually. So let's go ahead and mark that down. Let me just put this right here real quick and move that out the way. Okay, we're on the 5 minute. You know what? Let's check the 15 minute before we do that. 15 minute. Here we go. So this whole thing would be sell pressure. So there's sell pressure is gonna look like it's gonna be heavy. Let me just go ahead and mark that just because. Let's mark that sell pressure there. And we'll come out to about there. That's the 15 minute sell pressure. All right. Let's go look at the 5 again. All right. So the 5 minute sell pressure is going to literally be right here on the top. There's no wick on the bottom. Oh, there's a tiny wick. All right, we're gonna extend that guy out. We're gonna color this guy red. That's what represents my 5 minutes. So I went up into the 5. No, I actually went up into 15. Now this is what I mean by buy and sell pressure too close. It's too close to make a call. It's just gonna keep going like this. And before you get a chance to make a really good decision on an option, it's gonna either go way out, you know, one way, and then your option is going to be pretty much worthless if you pick the wrong way. So that's pretty much gambling, and we're not going to gamble. We're going to make calculated moves, or you know, I'm going to make calculated moves. All right. All right. So I think I'm going to end this video here. Hold on. Well, after the 15-minute closes, we'll end the video. See where we're at, and if I pick something else up, I will come back through. Looks like we're getting a move here. Look at this 15-minute. It's 43. We got about 2 minutes before this closes. You see, it's going down into this buy pressure. It's bouncing back up. See, it went all the way up into the 5 minute buy pressure, and or sell pressure. I'm sorry, and it got pushed down. I was playing between the two, so it's not time to make a move. It's time to just watch. Looking at the options, and I would be actually looking at like a 364 put. If I was gonna be on the top, that's about 218, 217, 218. It's fluctuating back and forth. Went up to like 221, and I would probably be looking at a like a 362 call. If I was looking at a call right now, which is actually about 254 and 128 for a put. So I'm just kind of watching that right now. Remember, we don't want to force any trades. The market is crazy. So I'm just going to be watching, okay? I don't ever force a trade. Well, yeah, I do. Let me not lie. But that's because when I'm in the flow of things and I know what's going on, you know, I just do Cyberman. So now we're up to 363.04 and we're dropping back down again. See that? It's just playing between these two pressures here, man. Just playing between them. All right, look like we're trying to close red on the second one coming in. So we're just going to keep monitoring that. And I will be back. Alrighty.